Hello once again everyone, good morning. So in this video, I'm going to have an exercise, a downward pose yoga. Ditong downward pose yoga guys ay equivalent na rin sa full body workout. And let's do this. You can do this many counts as you can. Pero dahil nagmamadali ako at oras na ang trabaho, hindi ko na siya damihan guys. Estimate ko lang. Lahat ng exercise guys, ulit-ulit lang naman. Damihan mo. Kasi hindi mo makita talaga ang good result kung saglit mo lang siya gawin. Itong downward pose ay isa sa favorite. Kasi nabi-feel ko ay buong katawan na i-exercise. Mahirap din mag-content guys. So, mabuti lang mahirap mag-exercise. Yan, pag-content ko na. Good health ha. Pag-ulit-ulit lang guys. At na-feel mo na pamapagod ka. Pwede na. Pwede. So, I'll see you guys in my next exercise.